Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a Bosch snow foam bottle. You'll notice the adapter is the standard Bosch adapter, so that's not the AQT one, just the standard Bosch for standard Bosch pressure washers. This is a 700ml size snow foam bottle. To take the bottle out, you just simply twist it. You can see the filter on the bottom of the detergent pipe there. Just twist it and it locks back into place. It's also got a variable nozzle on the end of the bottle, so that if you look down the nozzle there, you can see the fins going wider and smaller. So that allows you to throw a jet of foam onto the vehicle, or indeed have a wide fan of foam to go on. The yellow knob on the top will allow you to vary the volume of foam, so you can have a little bit of foam or a very thick foam going onto the vehicle, and that's the Bosch 700ml snow foam bottle.